All right. So hello everyone. I'm Pierre Correa and I'm the lead for this team TikTok creators in association with our content creator partner Christel Kokoli. So I'm definitely not going to take a lot of this presentation up. I'm going to leave the floor to my team because it's them who created this project. Let's just start with a little round of introductions, I think.
All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Riley Katz, and I was a member of the backend development team. And my role in this team was to create a recommendations page.
I'm William Gromit, and my job was to be the full stack developer and just make the little connections between all of the little front end and back end things.
I'm Sarah Crowley, and I was in charge of front-end development and the website layout. One of the things I made was the little donut, the pop-up that comes up that displays a donut chart displaying sentiment. You'll see that later when we demo the website.
Hi, I'm Steve Ridley. I worked on the back end, specifically on implementing sentiment analysis.
And I'm Diego Choa. I was a member of the front-end development team, and I was in charge of programming the recommendations page.
So Crystal is not in your team?
Oh no, she's our tech influencer, our content creator.
I came for support.
You came for support. I
Yes.
thought like the chemistry was so great. I thought you were like part of the team.
I am part of the team.
You're part of the team. All right. So
In spirit.
You're our spirits. Okay, yes, let's go. Yeah.
For sure. So yeah, we just have a little table of contents going through what we're going to go through. So the first thing is our problem and solution, what exactly we created and why we created it. Next, we're going to go over functionality. What are the features of our minimum viable product? Next, reflection. What are the skills the team gained across this program? What did everyone learn? And next, future iteration. If we did have more time, what feature ideas could we expand upon? And finally, we'll have a little live demo to show everyone what we created.
So what was our motivation to do this project? What was the problem we had to solve? So our client Crystal is a TikTok content creator, and she wanted to upgrade her content and grow her channel. But she noticed that currently there are not many proper analytic tools for content creators. So she asked us if we could do a page that could help her in the channel's management and growth by providing some type of important analytics. So what we came up with is a website that allows creators to analyze the data from their TikTok account, as well as seek inspiration by seeing other creators' videos in their recommendations page.
So our program is designed to make it so the creators can get the most out of their performance and can be able to get the algorithm to promote their content and to get the max amount of views. The program has two pages to it, analytics and recommendations. The analytics page is designed to give them a quick overview of how the users and the audience has responded to their content, such as what's become most popular. It provides a statistical analysis on videos. It gives an overview of videos posted by date and analyzes the tone of comments for video feedback. The recommendations page is designed to help them to be able to follow trends. It does this by finding similar content creators and content, displaying the best performing videos from others, and it helps with the quick identification of trends within the creator space by showing them what you could do better and what you could do to copy creators who are doing well, so that you can implement it in your own videos and get picked up by the algorithm.
Throughout this program, not only did we help improve Christel's status on TikTok, but our team developed several technical and job skills. Through this program, we developed a full stack development with industry standard techniques, coding languages, and frameworks. And we each collaborated with one another efficiently, which helped us distribute tasks more proficiently. And we worked with a TikTok API to gather our data, and then we cleaned it and presented it in a presentable way to any user. And next, the job skills that were developed through this program. First, our communication skills. Through our weekly demo meetings, which were meetings that we set up with Christel to update her on our progress, our sprint planning calls, which were team meetings where we updated each other on our progress and assisted each other if needed, and our one-on-one meetings with amongst ourselves or with Pierre to catch up on our progress. Through all of these, our communication skills were significantly improved and we were able to work more cohesively. Next, our accountability. We held each other accountable for our respective set deadlines, and we were able to ask each other for assistance if necessary. And lastly, our organization helped us determine our individual assignments more quickly, and our tasks were made more easy to understand.
For our tech stack, we utilized React on our front end, one of the aforementioned industry standard tools. We used Django for the back end, as we were all already familiar with Python. And for our APIs, we used a TikTok summary API in order to obtain information on videos, such as comments, plays, and likes. And we also used the eSentiment analysis API in order to analyze the sentiment of all comments. As for future iterations, while we have our MVP established, there are potentially more ideas that we could pursue. We could always increase the number of features and make the recommendations feature more robust. Another important thing to consider is extending to multiple users. Our website is currently tailored towards one TikTok creator, Christelle, so shifting to accommodate multiple creators seems like natural progression. Our MVP also does not currently have any monetization implemented, which is something that we would have to consider if this project were to be continued, just to keep maintaining it. And lastly, an idea that I'm sure many of us would like to pursue, get bought out by Google and retire 25.
24, let's do 24.
Shoot for 24.
Who's ready for a demo? So to start out, opening up the page, the first thing you're going to see is the recent videos and the amount of plays that they have. Just flipping through them. And if you click on an action, you'll get the date that that video was sent out, the name of it, and the hashtags associated with it, along with how happy people are, how sad people are, and any other emotions they have in the comments. And then you can see the plays and the likes of that video. We also have a recommendations page of just videos that Crystal can base her videos off of to help her make better videos. And that's loading in right now.
Yeah, I think some issues may come with just heavy traffic if people are opening it, but yeah, there we go. There it is.
Okay. And you can just click on them. But here we go again. Anyways, that'll show just the title of that video, the number of likes that video has, and just general information on that video that makes it distinguishable from other videos.
For sure. And that about wraps up our demo. But I just wanted, as a team lead, to mention real quick how proud I am of my team for being able to actually create a product in 10 weeks, which is, as I'm sure everyone realized, not a lot of time in the end. A lot of people went from not knowing what React was to building a full stack application, which is incredibly impressive. I also want to thank Crystal, who is sticking with us through time difference issues because she's in Italy right now, and was also incredibly helpful in helping us through feedback, helpful suggestions, and super kind comments to guide us in our product. But yeah.